Hello everyone, I'm back with another art tutorial and today we'll be painting a street view using watercolors. First, we're starting off with the rough sketch. Today, we won't be using any masking tape. This will be a free painting tutorial. You may pause the video to look at the sketch better. Since this will be a pen illustration as well, your sketch need not be very clear. First, wet the sky area and use light blue paint. Leave a white space in between for the cloud. Next, take dark blue and use it at random places. Make sure the sheet is wet for natural blending. Wet the mountain area and then use light green as the base. I'm using dark green for the top of the mountains. For the roof, I'm using dark brown. The top of the roof should be dark, so I'm using black and then blending it using water. For the walls, I'm using light grey as the base. Now, I'm taking a little bit of lemon yellow and using it at random places and then blending it with water. Now here we are painting some old architecture, so your walls should look unclear and dusty. For the inner part of the walls, I'm using dark grey. Also, use a little brown in it. For the staircase as well, I'm using grey. For the door, I'm using light turquoise as the base. I'm using blue at the top. The door should be dark in color from the top. For the stairs, I'm using light grey as the base. I'm using dark grey to highlight the edges of the stairs. Take a little bit of yellow and blend it at random places. Repeat the same with a tinge of blue. I'm using blue to paint the planks at the door. For the crooked pipeline, I'm using grey at the left side and a little blue on the right side. For the tiny pot, I'm using yellow at the base and then shading it with brown. For the bush, take lemon yellow as the base and then use shades of green on top of it. Repeat the same process for the lower greenery as well. After light green, I'm using some olive green here. And then some dark green. Use at least 2 shades of green when painting greenery. I'm also adding a little bit of grass here and there on the stairs. I'm repainting the details on the door. Using some blue at the edges of the door and then blending it using water. After your greenery is dry, use red to make some flowers. For the other roofs, I'm using light orange as the base, and then I'm using shades of orange on top of it. Repeat the same process for the lower roof as well. I also used some red there. After the roofs have dried, I'm once again using light grey for the walls. Adding some creepers to the pipeline as well. I'm using a shade of wine for the little window over there. For the door, I'm using blue and some more blue on the top. The top should be dark. Add tiny bricks using brown on the building. I'm using a normal black gel pen for outlining. The outline should not be very clear. It should be small, scribbly lines. Draw it using free hands. Do not put a lot of pressure on the pen. The only thing you need to keep in mind is use your scribbles in one particular direction. Do not mix up vertical and horizontal strokes at one place. These black lines add texture to your painting. Here you are with your street view illustration and watercolors. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you recreate this, you can send it to me on my Instagram handle, link for which is given in the description. Thank you for watching.